Let's go flex this thing out. But first, we got to put on that new gear by Unlimited Apparel in Danville, Illinois. Give them a look. Made this 8-lug Productions gear look great. Let's shoot down the highway and go see Barron down in Franklin. Wasted no time getting there and him pulling out the forklift and just driving up and stabbing underneath the tires. It did pretty well. I actually thought it would do better, but then again, I've never done this before, so I have no idea what to compare this to. Lifted up nice and slow here. The driver tire is starting to come in a little bit. We're getting to about the outer edge of the tire, about high enough I felt safe. The rear definitely had more that it could go up.
Yeah, we're on the outer edge of this
the rear
tire.
limit strap was not tight. Now here on the back, the driver's side limit strap starts to get tight and starts to lift the axle up. Still seems like a pretty good flex here, though.
That strap is tight. Yeah.
All in all, very happy with the outcome. Nothing touches. The limit straps and bump stops do what they need to do. So,
Alright, that was quick and easy. Well, fuel light's on, so we don't have to do make a gas station stop. Quick and easy, flexed out pretty well. Flexing the front out, it actually ended up limit strapping the rear. So it's gonna start lifting the rear just because of the limit straps. Same way with the rear, the limit straps. So it used every bit of suspension travel that it had, or that I gave it. Didn't touch anywhere, so that's good.